Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. Anyway, today we want to give you a nice, lovely, simple recipe. This one is leftover spaghetti, but it's going to be jerk spaghetti with vegetable. You know what I mean? If you cook too much food and you're at home and you might have said to yourself, what am I going to do with so much spaghetti? Should I put it in the bin? This is where you can do with it. Make some jerk vegetable spaghetti. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. And also remember, if you got too much money, you can always donate some to Chef Ricardo's studio. We're coming out with a brand new studio. And also, the book is online and there's a 50% off. Thank you so much, guys, for all who so far helping to fill the gap. Me and the team, we're working very hard, coming out with some new ideas and new recipe. You will see them coming up in this following month ahead because it's coming up to summer. So hopefully, guys, have a wonderful time. This spaghetti, jerk spaghetti, you can also make it from the day before, cool it down, bring it to work and share it with your manager, your friend, and family, and next door neighbor. So see you next time. This is from Chef Ricardo. Nice and lovely. Welcome back again in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen. But today we're gonna show you how you can make yourself some nice, lovely jerk spaghetti at home. Look at this. You know what happened? To be honest, I got some spaghetti left over, yeah? And I said to myself, what should I do with this spaghetti? Should I chuck them in the bin or should I just do something with it? I said, no, I'm gonna do some jerk vegetable spaghetti. Right here I have some vegetable right here. This is just some mixed vegetable. You can get mixed vegetable anywhere. Local shop, supermarket to buy. This is a sweet corn and green peas and carrot. Lovely. Alright? So basically, I'm gonna put that straight inside of the spaghetti like this and just simple give it a nice, lovely mix up like this. Second thing I got out spring onion. I want to say that chef, I love spring onion, you know. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna simple, just cut it up a little bit, very small. One, we're gonna just add it to it like this. So you just add it to it. That's what it's gonna look like. All right. Basically, I got half of a white mix. This is half of a green pepper. And basically, we're gonna simple cut it up very small. Add it to it like this. All right. One, that's the rest of it. Right here I have some red pepper. We're gonna add this to it also. So remember, if you cook too much spaghetti, you don't need to chuck it in the bin. You can do something with it. Alright? And what you're gonna do with it, you're just gonna bring something totally different to you. And you can do some spaghetti, jerk spaghetti, and bring it to work with you. Right here I have a piece of a white onion. I'm just gonna simple fine dice it and add it to it. Just like that. So look at that. Beautiful and nice. Yes, it is nice. Alright. Then what we're gonna do, we're just gonna add a little bit of the jerk season to it. This is the jerk season. I'm not adding too much, just a little pinch. Because sometimes I like my food spicy, but not all the time. A little bit of coarse pepper. So all of the ingredients, I just put them with the pasta, with the spaghetti. Second thing, we're gonna put a little pinch of mixed herb. And also, we're gonna put a little pinch, half teaspoon of paprika for color. So everything is inside of the bowl. All we're gonna do is this. Look at this now. So if you remember, if you got too much spaghetti left over, this is what you can do. It's a Jamaican style, a Jamaican way of cooking this. Nice. I got a medium-sized stir-fried pot right here. I have it on my stove about a second ago, so probably a little bit of it to eat on it. So we're gonna simple pop roughly 2 teaspoons of vegetable olive oil inside of it like that. And all I'm gonna do is use my hand and mix up the spaghetti with all of the jerk season, everything together, and the peppers. So basically we're gonna just put it in just like this. So you're gonna hear that lovely frying. So as you can see, so this is what I say, this is what's gonna happen. You don't need to do what I'm doing. Please guys, use like a tongue or something. Alright? Because I'm a chef and I know what I'm doing, alright? So, as you can see, that's gonna be frying for roughly next 3 to 4 more minutes, then we're gonna keep stirring it. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, it's cooking, getting all of those flavor in it. As you can see, that's really nice and lovely. And you know what I mean? Now, as you can see, it doesn't take long because once you cook the spaghetti, that's it. All of it is just add the rest of the ingredients to it, stir fry it for a couple of minutes, done and dusted. As you can see, that lovely color. And now you can simply just shear it out now because this is going to be finished in the next few seconds. Nice and lovely. And vegetarian can have this also. Nice and lovely. So now this is finished. Doesn't take long. And you can make this and bring it to work. Cool it down from the overnight and bring it to work with you. And have it for lunch. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments. And this is from Chef Ricardo on the team. And this is one of Chef Ricardo's top recipe then also. Thank you so much and see you next time. And this is just stir fry. Lovely nice jerk spaghetti stir fry with veg. Enjoy it and see you next time. Bye bye.